Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is weekly expiry and here I am with one more video. In the last expiry, we had a gap down opening and Nifty bounced exactly from the levels I had mentioned in the previous video. Nifty bounced from 15,000 and it went till 15,200 and we were able to book a profit of around 200 points. So in this video too, we'll try to find out the crucial levels. But before I start today's video, please like my video, share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. And now on screen we have a Nifty daily chart, and as you can see we have a breakout from the triangle pattern, and when we calculate the targets of this triangle pattern it comes around 15,600. But these targets are positional and we are trying to find a trade for tomorrow's expiry. So we will try to find out the important levels for tomorrow's expiry. As you know, markets traded in a range of 14,900 to 15,100 in this week, and we closed at the upper end of the range. So there are two possibilities now from here. Either we will go down from here from 15,100, we will fall, or if we sustain above 15,100 we may go till 15,200 to 15,250. Now 15,200 to 15,250 is the main supply zone, because Nifty tried couple of times clearing this resistance, but Nifty failed both the times and we saw a good fall after that. So 15,200, 15,250 seems to be the upper end for the tomorrow's expiry. And on the lower side we saw a long build up coming from 15,000. So 15,000 will act as a support, and the lower end of the range 14,900 will act as another support for tomorrow's expiry. Now let's analyze Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry. As you can see, Nifty closed at 15,100 and we have highest call OI at 15,100 call. And so if we have a positive opening tomorrow and if we sustain above 15,100, we will see a short covering rally coming in Nifty and it will go around 15,200. And as discussed earlier, 15,200 to 15,250 will act as a major supply zone, and after 15,100 call, 15,200 call has the highest open interest, around 45,000. So 15,200 seems to be upper side for tomorrow's expiry, and I don't expect expiry above 15,200. But if we sustain above 15,200, we may see another short covering rally coming and we may go till 15,275, but still 15,200 seems to be the upper side for tomorrow's expiry. And on the put side we have highest open interest at 15,000 put, and also as I said earlier we saw a long build up at 15,000. So 15,000 will act as first support, and on the lower side next we have highest open interest at 14,900 put, that's around 31,000, and 14,900 is also the lower end of the range, so 14,900 will act as the next support. India VIX fell down by 9% and now it's at 24.5. Put call ratio is at 1.112 and that's oversold. Both the signs are good for long traders, and Dow Jones is trading around 300 points plus and SGX Nifty is trading at 15,160. So as of now all the signs are good for tomorrow's trading session, and I am expecting expiry in the range of 15,000 to 15,200. Also friends, I have posted a link in the description of this video to open your trading or demat account in my franchise. When you open your trading account in my franchise, you will get the lowest brokerage, 15 rupees per order, best support, and many other benefits are listed in the description of this video. And also I will add you in my group where I provide trading calls. So open your trading account and get all those benefits. And also like my video, share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Aman signing off. Thank you.